Running a home service business requires more than just doing great work. You also have to manage marketing, customer communication, estimates, proposals, follow-ups, and all the day-to-day tasks that keep your business moving. That's where TurboClients.com comes in. TurboClients is an AI-powered sales and homeowner communication platform built specifically for home service businesses, including pressure washers, landscapers, cleaning companies, junk haulers, movers, and more. Inside the platform, you'll find AI-assisted tools designed to help with common business tasks, including local SEO planning, website content creation, ad copy generation, customer follow-up messages, service proposals, job estimating, and homeowner communication. Instead of juggling multiple tools and starting from scratch every time, TurboClients brings these capabilities together in one place to help support your workflow. If you're looking for practical AI tools designed with home service businesses in mind, visit TurboClients.com and explore everything the platform has to offer.